If you're a NEET PG aspirant, then you must solve this. The given histology image is Leydig cells, pancreatic islet cells, Hassel's corpuscles, glomerulus. Take a look at the image. The answer, glomerulus. Patent ductus arteriosus is a defect of the following aortic arch. Remember the aortic arches? Third left, fourth right, sixth left, sixth right. The correct answer, sixth left. A patient comes with abdominal pain, jaundice and portal hypertension. Anastomosis between which of the following veins is seen? Left colic vein and middle colic veins, esophageal veins and left gastric veins, superior rectal and phrenic veins, sigmoid and superior rectal veins. Esophageal veins and left gastric veins. A patient presents with a swelling under the left ear lobule and complains of pain. Which of the following structures is the likely cause of pain? Facial nerve, greater auricular nerve, auriculotemporal nerve, and investing layer of deep cervical fascia. The answer, auriculotemporal nerve. What develops from the structure pointed as A in the image? Look at A. Linorenal ligament, gastrosplenic ligament, falciform ligament, ligament of Treitz. The answer, falciform ligament. A patient underwent surgery for varicose vein and he now complains of sensory loss over the medial aspect of the leg and foot. Which of the following nerves is most likely to be injured during the procedure? Sural nerve, superficial peroneal nerve, deep peroneal nerve and saphenous nerve. The answer, saphenous nerve. Identify the cartilage in the image. Non-articular hyaline cartilage, articular cartilage, elastic cartilage, white fibrocartilage. The answer, white fibrocartilage. Keep solving, students. See you in the next video.